How's it going, guys? So Amazon is currently down right now, and I'm going to show you some ways which you could fix it if you're having trouble using Amazon. So Amazon's currently down. If this video does help you in any way, please consider subscribing to the channel with notifications turned on and liking the video, as it does mean a lot to the channel. So now to go ahead and basically get Amazon working again, to go ahead and fix this, there's like a few ways that you could possibly fix Amazon not working for you. So one way you could go ahead and do it is, let's say you're on mobile and it's not working on mobile, try it on PC. If you're on PC, try it on mobile. Also, you can use the Amazon app. Amazon does have an app, so if the website isn't working for you, you can just go over to the app and that should work. If you try all of those ways, one of them should work for you and you should be able to get back on Amazon. Also, I'm sure they'll fix it pretty soon, hopefully, and you can get back on Amazon. So you could either wait or try one of those methods and hopefully get back on Amazon. If this video did help you in any way, please consider subscribing to the channel with notifications turned on and liking the video, as it does mean a lot to the channel. And yep, that is about it.